What if you could identify your design failures before manufacturing a single part? Right? Imagine your product, validating your product performance, optimizing your designs, and reducing a prototype cost all will happen before production begins. Right. Hi everyone. My name is Akash. I am simulation consultant and simulation solution provider for various manufacturing industries. Today, I would like to introduce SOLIDWORKS Simulation, how it helps our engineers to design with innovative ideas and with confidence. SOLIDWORKS Simulation enables us to test your designs virtually and validate your product performance in a real world condition. It helps us to evaluate your design structural strength, flow analysis and thermal performance, and also plastic optimizations. You may consider plastic injection molding optimization here. So SOLIDWORKS simulation provides valuable insights in the design process by identifying the potential issues in your designs. You can validate and rectify using SOLIDWORKS simulation, which helps you to reduce your prototype costs, improve your design quality, improve your product performance, improve your design process. Engineers, I would like to tell you, SOLIDWORKS simulation helps us to design smarter, validate faster, and innovate with confidence. SOLIDWORKS simulation, we have flow simulation and plastic simulation. If you would like to explore more about SOLIDWORKS simulation and its products, please connect with us for a better solution.